My name is Stephanie Gibson, and I am from LA, California, but I've been raised in North Carolina my whole entire life since I was 5 years old, and I'm 25, soon to be 26. My birthday's actually next week. I'm a senior at App State, and I'm majoring in birth through kindergarten education. And my plans after school is teaching kindergarten, and my backup plans is working at a daycare. I currently work at a daycare now, and I really, really love it. Like, doesn't even feel like a job to me. I love babies. And something I hope to learn in class is why nutrition is important for children and also important for adults in that case, like for everyone. Just learn more about it, like just to be healthy, like learn how to be healthy and stuff. And something unique or different about me is that I am a mom of two small children who currently attend the ASU Child Development Center on campus. And also, my husband is a student at App State, so we're all a Mountaineer family. And that's it.